I bought my first TicWatch Pro from Geekbuying 1.5 months ago. The first one did not work. I could not turn it on. I have to send it back at my own expense. Yesterday I received my replacement TicWatch Pro. I charged it overnight. It was brand new, fresh out of the box. It has been charged overnight. As you can see, nothing. It is even worse than the first one. At least in the first one, the logo came on. This one, nothing. Dead as a dodo. What's the chance of that? So that's TicWatch Pro for you.